Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Hong。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And we've been talking about everyday vocabulary. And every day you have to start off with breakfast. 所以我们还是回到吃的好不好？
好啊。
因为我好喜欢吃哦。
好。
还是再来教大家跟吃有关系的，但是比较重要的是早餐，因为每一天一定要吃早餐。
对。
You gotta have your breakfast every day. So let's teach you how to say certain things in Hakka about breakfast. For instance, 一开始当然就要问你早餐都吃什么 ？What do you have for breakfast?
食早。
食早。
食早麥雞。
吃掉马给哦，吃的是什么东西？这样子是。
那像我们最近常会说你就是对不对？可是也是会有人说你。
哦，真的吗？
对啊，
你。That's another way of saying you.
或是说
也可以 ，OK。
就像我们说吃什么，有人会说吃马给啊，那有人会讲吃马该。
哎，对，吃马该，吃马该 ，OK， 就是
都可以。
Different tones, different dialects, OK. Again, that first line was, what do you usually eat for breakfast? 那maybe you like milk and bread. 有些人就是很简单的哦，喜欢去面包店买牛奶和面包。
我較愛食牛奶加胖。
That means I like milk and also bread, OK? 但是有些人可能比较喜欢那种中式一點的哦。
對，
我喜歡吃燒餅加豆漿。It's a Taiwanese style of eating breakfast with sesame bread and soy milk.
OK， 我們就可以講我好食。
剛剛是喜歡而已，這是我好吃是太愛了，是
愛啦。
我愛吃就對了。
對，
我好吃。OK, that means I really love
小餅加豆奶。
小餅加豆奶 That's 燒餅 That's sesame bread. 加 that means and. 豆奶 That's soy milk. And then finally, this I must have. 不管我吃什麼樣的早餐，我一定還要再加喝一杯咖啡。每天一定要喝一杯咖啡。
當然一天愛。啉一杯咖啡。
啊，这教过，啉一杯咖啡要喝一杯咖啡啦。
那喝一杯的话，海陆腔就叫做啉一杯。
哦，不一样哦，一个是啉一杯，啉一杯。
Yeah.
Oh, that's a different dialect for drinking 1 cup of coffee, 咖啡. So there you have it, all about eating breakfast, and don't forget you need that every day. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.